Hello, everyone. Um, we're going to go over the DOM today, how to manipulate the DOM, how to visualize the DOM. The DOM is a tree-like structure. It is comprised of nodes. Each branch ends in a node. Each node has objects. Those objects has methods that you can use to manipulate the content on the web page. We're going to kind of go over what this looks like. The DOM starts off with the window. So you have your window here. The window has the document. Then it would come down here like this, and you would have an HTML. So you have your HTML, and on this HTML tag, it has an attribute. I'm just going to put ATT. So for attribute, well, just write it down. Everybody understands what that is. All right, the HTML. To be semantic, HTML, the HTML tag should only have two siblings. So we have a head tag and a body tag. So let's see here. A head tag. Then you have a body tag. All right. So inside the head, you have a title, and the title has a text node. So this title, it has a text node. So inside the body, we have an H1 that has an attribute and a text node. We have a paragraph that has a text node. So let's see, we have an H1. Let's move this down here. Has an attribute, has a text node. Then you have a paragraph. And then that paragraph has a text node. So basically, this is the basic structure of what's going on here. And then we'll get into kind of how to see that in the console and what's going on there. So, all right, we can bring this stuff in here now. All right, I kind of just put an image and a link in there so that I can kind of show you how to do that. I have a app.js file that is linked to this HTML file. So basically you see I have window.document, but let's do window first so you can see what window looks like. So here's the window, and it shows all the different methods and stuff that you're able to use to get different things out of it, like window.navigator, window.location, give you location, um, window.alert. Then you could do like window.document. But most of the time we omit the window, so you could just do document, and right here. So that's our HTML page. And so then you could do like document.links and get all the links on the page. It returns an HTML collection. So you can see here at index 0, we have a link. We have an A tag. You could do like document.images, and it returns an HTML collection. They're similar to arrays. You can loop through them if there's more than one and you want to get all of them, or you could do like images 0 and it gets the image back. You can see. But if there's not one there, say if you do like image 1, it'd be undefined because there's only one image on the page. You do like image.source. Well, maybe not. But you get the picture. And let's see, document.title. It's going to give you the title back. So we could also do document.getElementById. Let me add an ID onto the paragraph tag. We'll say Tom. So document.getElementById. Dom, and then it's going to bring that paragraph tag in here. We have document.getElementByClassName. And so if you go in here, the class name is hello. It's going to give you back a HTML collection, and it's an H1 at index 0. Then we also have get elements by tag name. Let's see, we could do an H1. So it's going to give you back that H1. And then we have document.query selector. So you can basically, this one gets back almost anything if you, whatever you put in there, as long as it's a valid tag name. So you could do the H1, or you could do a class name, which would be hello. But if you're doing the class names, it starts with a dot. If you're doing an ID, that's a hashtag, so it would be hashtag DOM. All right, so that's the paragraph you can see. Let's see, what else do we have? There's also query selector all. So if there's more than one, so let's say we add another paragraph. Let's do just new paragraph. Go to, I don't know why I did that. Sometimes Copilot gives you ridiculous stuff. So um, let's see, query selector all, and let's do paragraph. So it gives you back a node list with all of them. So we have one at index 0, one at index 1. So this is just, the basics of how to do some of this stuff. You can get deeper into this, like traversing the DOM and other stuff like that. But I hope this video helps somebody, and thank you for watching.